What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to find out the derivative of x cubed y squared minus 5x squared y plus x equals to 1. I need to use implicit differentiation to find out dy over dx. So that's going to be derivative of x cubed y squared with respect to x minus derivative of 5x squared y per x plus derivative of x with respect to x equals to derivative of 1 with respect to x. So this one is going to be 3x squared y squared plus x cubed times 2y times dy over dx. Basically I use the product rule. You know, from the product rule is going to be derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared times y squared plus x cubed times derivative of y squared, which is going to be 2y dy over dx, minus, here we have 5 derivative of x squared y. So derivative of x squared is going to be 2x times y plus x squared times derivative of y, which is dy over dx. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of 1 with respect to x is going to be 0. So we have 3x squared y squared plus 2x cubed y dy over dx minus 10xy plus, actually it's going to be minus 5x squared dy over dx plus 1 equals to 0. Then what you can do, we have these two, we're gonna keep them on the left hand side and move the rest on the right hand side. So 2x cubed y dy over dx minus 5x squared dy over dx equals to 10xy minus 1 minus 3x squared y squared. Then I factor dy over dx. 2x cubed y minus 5x squared equals to 10xy minus 1 minus 3x squared y squared. So dy over dx will be 10xy minus 1 minus 3x squared y squared divided by 2x cubed y minus 5x squared. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.